Today, we will learn about like and unlike fractions. Look here. Here are some figures. Can you tell what is special about them? Think for a while. Absolutely correct. All of these are divided into 8 equal parts. Since 3 out of 8 parts are shaded in the first figure, therefore, the fraction of shaded parts can be represented as 3 by 8. Similarly, the shaded parts in the second figure is 5 by 8 and the shaded parts in the third figure is 7 by 8. Can you identify the similarity in these fractions by looking at them? Yes, their denominators are equal. Fractions with equal denominators are called like fractions. Now look at these figures. As you can see, the first figure is divided into 8 equal parts, the second figure is divided into 6, and the third into 12 equal parts. Since 5 out of 8 are shaded in the first figure, the fraction of the shaded parts can be represented as 5 by 8. Similarly, the shaded part of the second figure is 4 by 6 and the third is 9 by 12. The denominators of all these three fractions are not equal. Fractions in which denominators are not equal are called unlike fractions. In many situations, it becomes necessary to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Examples are comparison of fractions, addition or subtraction of fractions, etc. So let's understand how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Look here, there are two fractions 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. These are unlike fractions because they have different denominators. To convert them into like fractions, first, we calculate the LCM of the denominators of both fractions. The LCM of two numbers is the smallest value which is completely divided by the two numbers. Here, the LCM of denominators 3 and 4 is 12. We now find the equivalent fractions of both the fractions whose denominator will be the LCM. For this, we multiply the numerator and denominator of 2 by 3 by 4 and the numerator and denominator of 3 by 4 by 3. Thus, the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 is 8 by 12 and 3 by 4 is 9 by 12. Since the denominator of both fractions is equal, we say that we have converted 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 into like fractions. Today, we have learnt like and unlike fractions. In the next video, we will see some examples of these. Today, we will see some examples of like and unlike fractions. Nisha purchased different colored bottles from a shop. She purchased 3 red bottles, 2 green bottles, and 5 yellow bottles. Can you tell whether the fractions representing the parts of red bottles and yellow bottles are like fractions or not? Nisha purchased 3 red bottles, 2 green bottles, and 5 yellow bottles. So, she purchased a total of 10 bottles. Of these, the red bottles are 3 out of 10. So, the fraction will be 3 by 10. Similarly, yellow will be 5 by 10. Here, you can see that the denominators in both fractions, 3 by 10 and 5 by 10, are equal, that is, 10. The fractions in which the denominators are equal are called like fractions. Therefore, 3 by 10 and 5 by 10 are like fractions. Next example. Are 8 by 9 and 5 by 12 like fractions? If they are not, then find their like fractions. We call any two fractions as like fractions only when their denominators are equal. Here, 8 by 9 and 5 by 12 do not have equal denominators, so they are not like fractions. Fractions in which denominators are not equal are called unlike fractions. To convert unlike fractions into like fractions, first we calculate the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 9 and 12 can be got like this. Therefore, the LCM of 9 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 36. After finding the LCM, we find the equivalent fractions for both fractions in which the denominator will be equal to the LCM. For this, we will multiply the numerator and denominator of 8 by 9 by 4 and the numerator and denominator of 5 by 12 by 3. Thus, we will get the equivalent fraction of 8 by 9 as 32 by 36 and the equivalent fraction of 5 by 12 as 15 by 36. Since the denominators of both these fractions are equal, we can say that we have converted 8 by 9 and 5 by 12 into like fractions 32 by 36 and 15 by 36 respectively. Next example. Sanika was doing her homework. She had to make a group of like fractions from the given numbers 21 by 45, 6 by 45, 11 by 13, 43 by 45, 13 by 11. So she made the following group of numbers. Did she make correct groups of like fractions from the given numbers? If not, find out what mistake she made. We call two or more than two fractions as like fractions when their denominators are equal. In the first group, we can observe that denominators of all the fractions are equal. Therefore, the fractions in the first group are like fractions. In the second group, we see that the denominators are not equal. So, these are not like fractions. If denominators of two or more than two fractions are not equal, they are called unlike fractions. Here, Sanika misunderstood that 11 by 13 and 13 by 11 are like fractions. Today, we have seen examples of like and unlike fractions. In the next video, we will see some misconceptions related to them. Today, we will see some misconceptions and common mistakes related to like and unlike fractions. Misconception 1. Rahul and Rajesh were talking to each other. Rahul said that if the values of fractions are equal, then they're like fractions, whereas Rajesh said that if the denominators of fractions are equal, only then they are like fractions. Who is correct between the two of them? Most of the times, it is understood that if the value of fractions are equal, then they are like fractions. For example, the values of 4 by 9 and 8 by 18 are equal, so they are considered as like fractions. This is incorrect. That means Rahul is incorrect. The correct understanding is that if denominators of fractions are equal, whether the numerators are equal or not, then such fractions are called like fractions. Therefore, Rajesh is right. Misconception 2. Identify the like fractions from the following fractions. Fractions in which the denominators are equal are called like fractions. In the given fractions, the denominators of 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 are equal, so they are like fractions. Therefore, option 1 is the correct answer. Many times there is a misconception that if the numerators of the fractions are the same, then they are like fractions. With this misconception, 3 by 7 and 3 by 8 are considered to be like fractions, which is wrong. So, option 2 is incorrect. Now let's understand some common mistakes related to these. Sometimes, while making the denominators equal in two fractions, students do not multiply the numerators. This changes the value of the fractions. For example, if we need to make the denominators of 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 equal, then first we find the LCM of the denominators. Here, the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Then, to make the denominators equal, the denominator of 2 by 3 is multiplied by 5 to get 2 by 15. Similarly, to make the denominator of 3 by 5 also 15, the denominator is multiplied by 3 to get 3 by 15. This is incorrect. We must multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5 to get 10 by 15, which is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Similarly, multiplying the numerator and denominator of 3 by 5 by 3 gives its equivalent fraction of 9 by 15. Now, 10 by 15 and 9 by 15 have equal denominators. Many times, to make the denominators equal, children add the same number to both the numerator and denominator. For example, to make the denominators of 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 equal, 2 is added to the numerator and denominator of 2 by 3 to get 4 by 5. This is incorrect. Today, we have seen misconceptions and common mistakes related to like and unlike fractions.